factory includes metal workshop, assembly lines and a big warehouse. Producing our balers from start to finish under one roof gives us control and efficiency through the whole process. In the production and in the purchase of components, we focus on quality. Quality is very important because the machines we produce will serve our customers for many years. Orwak is a premium brand and it's a natural decision to work with premium suppliers. At Orwak, it's safety above all, always. It comes first when designing and manufacturing a machine. I'm very proud of a dedicated team. Many have worked here for a long time and have a broad knowledge and experience. We also have a lot of young people, apprentices, who learn and benefit from the experienced ones. Also, safety at the workplace, ergonomics and the well-being of our employees are our first priority.